Welcome to Pushkar. In today's episode, we are going to be seeing stunning sunrises. We're going to be staying in this beautiful boutique yoga resort hotel with these cottages. And just check out the general vibe of the town. I'm on a 2-week tour with True Travels around northern India with 8 other strangers and a local guide. We started in Delhi, took the overnight train to Udaipur, and now we've just arrived in Pushkar. We've got 2 nights here in the holy city of Pushkar and a lot to pack in, so let's get started. We have just arrived at our accommodation in Pushkar. This is a sort of boutique yoga retreat hotel, and we've all got our own little cottages, and we've literally just got here, so I thought I would show you around. When we arrived, the staff kindly gave us these marigold necklaces. I'm not quite sure what they're called, but it's basically something that they give to all the guests to welcome them, which is really nice.
Yeah, these are marigold flowers.
Dhanyavad.
Whenever you welcome a guest in India, you give them a garland made of marigold flowers.
We've all got our own little separate cottages, so when you walk in, we've got twin beds and everything is all crisp white sheets. It's very like yoga retreat, boho vibes, and all the things that they use here are eco-friendly, no like plastics or anything like that. We've got 2 little chairs over here and a station for your tea and coffee in the morning, which will be very useful for tomorrow. We're going for a sunrise hike. We've even got a little water filter station and surface area, and it looks like some aircon, hopefully, yeah. And then also the bathroom is super like boho vibes, really cute but also quite rustic. The surrounding area is absolutely beautiful as well, and we can all stand outside our cottages and say hi Barbie to each other. We're all neighbours. There's even Wi-Fi here, which I was definitely not expecting. Hi Barbie! This is Camp Land's End, a family-run accommodation. It is so quiet around this area, and I actually just sat in front of my cottage for 10 minutes just listening to the birds in the distance. It's a little bit of a walk to get from the cottages to the main buildings, and after we checked in and unpacked, we made our way down to explore. There is a stunning infinity pool, and this is the restaurant. During our stay in Pushkar, all meals are included whilst we're at this accommodation because they cook everything on site with local Rajasthan ingredients and recipes. As the sun set, we learned how the locals here make their chapatis and got to try it for ourselves, and then we celebrated one of the other guests' birthdays with them, and they cut birthday cake with a sword.
Yeah. Be careful, okay?
No, be
The shoulder like this.
I'm not even joking.
Far down do we go?
Anywhere you want to. Just
Don't put it that far down.
Too low. Yeah.
Oh, woohoo! Oh, no, he didn't do it.
Is that too far up?
No. See,
See what
the
I mean?
bubbles have started to come.
I think you went too low.
I think I went way too low.
You lost it.
Did you actually lose it?
No, it's right there.
Oh, well done, Peter.
Yeah, he's asking you guys have eaten the dinner, right?
No, this is my dinner.
Ready?
Oh, you need to see your hard work.
Sorry.
Wow.
Come on,
Who let you touch it? Oh my god. Oh,
This is so nice.
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear.
His wife is coming.
Okay, we'll wait.
Okay, what a good man. And our sword's readily available.
It is available. You always have a family sword, so I have 3. One from my great-grandfather, one from my grandfather, one from my father. So the day I get married, I'll have one for my own.
Oh,
नाम क्या है आपका? Mayam. His name is Mayam.
happy birthday, ma'am.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. The next morning we were up at 5 AM to do a sunrise hike to a temple on the top of a hill. It's too early. Oh my god, I'm so red already. Not even halfway. My legs are starting to turn to jelly, but at least it steps all the way can do it if it steps. I don't do scrambling. I think that is the top. It's 6:26. Sunrise is meant to be at 7:11, and then hopefully we get to the temple at the top to watch sunrise. I might be cutting it fine, but I can already see such an amazing view, and that might be the start of the sunrise. I did put face SPF on, but that's definitely some sweat. I don't know if you can see, those are the cable cars. I think they start about 8, so hopefully we're gonna get the cable car down. But I can already see so much of Pushkar. There's some trees blocking the way, and obviously you'll see more when the sun rises. But it's stunning already. The rest of the group have gone on, and Suri is behind me. But I don't really mind because I know that I was going to be last anyway. But I know that I'll get there. I just have to do it at my own pace. And if I'm by myself, then I don't have to worry about anyone waiting on me or looking too slow in front of anyone else or panting. I just shat myself. I thought my shadow was someone in the bushes. They keep rustling. It's a little bit scary, but there's also quite a lot of litter, so I think it is just the plastic bags rustling in the trees. So I thought this would be fairly busy. I mean, I don't know what it's going to be like at the top, but no one else on the trail with me, and it's our group minus one. She's not feeling well, Suri, and I think I saw one other Westerner doing it, and there was a group of Indians at the first viewpoint at the bottom, but I haven't seen anyone else yet, which is quite nice. Those are the cable cars. They look a bit creepy just in the middle of the wire, but I've not got too much more to go, I think. At least that's what I'm telling myself. This is absolutely amazing. Wow. All the dogs waking up. There was just some really steep steps, but there was a railing, so pulled me and my short legs up, and I'm so glad I have a bottle of water. But there's a nice breeze blowing now. I still got my hoodie on. It was freezing when we left Pushkar at 5:30. It's like 9 degrees, which I did not sign up for when I booked an India trip. I'm warm now. And down there's doing pull-ups on the tree, and I am struggling to climb up some steps. Look at that. I'm almost there. This is endless. Not sure what way to go. I think that's a restaurant. I'm gonna go right here. Wow. Look at this. My legs are jelly. Well, hope I can find everyone else. I think I did it. I think I'm here. Wow. I found them. I've done it. Oh my god, look at that.
it and bring it. Harder.
Just been up on the rooftop, which is the temple park, to see the stunning sunrise, and now underneath there is the small cafe where they are serving tea, coffee, chai and some snacks. So I think we're going to sit here and get some chai, or I'm going to get some chai, and then get the cable car back down. But I'm so glad I did this. It was hard work, but I'm glad I did it, and I'm proud of myself. And also, what a stunning view. What a way to start the day. Our first full day in Pushkar. My first chai in a terracotta cup. Oh my god, the chai is arriving.
These are in terracotta cups. The terracotta cups are made out of clay. Once you use them, you throw them away.
Oh, can you take it home?
You can take them home, yeah, because they don't reuse the cups.
I'm gonna let it cool down for a minute. Come on, everybody.
Come on.
Come on. It's like a bit Christmassy. I think that's the best chai I've had so far. It's perfect after you've cooled down after a hike. Not when you're still warm after the hike, when you get cold after the hike. We are leaving the mountain. Would you call it a mountain? We're leaving. We're getting the cable car back down. Thank God. Peter has chosen to walk, so we'll meet you at the bottom, Peter. Dhanyavad. Oh, go. We need to even it. I nearly went head first out the other side.
Excited, slightly nervous. Not what I'm used to.
Yeah.
Oh god.
Oh.
Anybody got a fear of heights?
No.
I've got a fear of like lack of health and safety on things
Yeah,
like this.
same here. Same.
That was really good. I'm so glad we did that. I feel like it's just starting to get a bit busier now, so I'm glad we came when we did. That is what we just climbed with the temple on top. 750 feet and the cable...
970 steps.
970 steps, 750 feet, 975 steps. So many numbers. The cable car costs 100 rupees each way, so obviously we just got it down. But the temple itself is free, because all the temples in India are free, because I think it's to do with the Hindu way of life that they feel you shouldn't be charging for things like that, which I think is so great, because I've been in many a temple where it's not only not free, but they also charge more for foreigners versus the locals. So happy days, what a morning. Heading back to the hotel now for some breakfast, and I need a shower. We are out in Pushkar for the first time properly, just walking around. Just saw a camel, and we're going to do a walking tour. We're making our way to the Brahma Temple, just walk through towards the lake as well, I think, maybe stopping at a couple of places along the way. This is nice. We've not been out in Pushkar properly. A lot of little shops and stalls. We've been up since 4:30. I don't know when I'm going to crash. It might be around lunchtime.
This temple is dedicated to Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha is the one with the elephant crown. And Lord Ganesha is the son of Lord Shiva.
You've got to watch out for people, motorbikes, cows and cow poo. Oh my god. Anything else? Apparently also drug dealers.
Oh yeah, drug dealers, yeah.
So I do need my third eye at this point. Pushkar is meant to be a small hippie town. I thought small hippie towns are meant to be relaxing. I do not feel relaxed right now. Namaste. I'm slightly stressed, but we're heading to the lake We went into the Brahma Temple, which was stunning. It's one of the only colourful ones in the north of India. Most of the colourful ones are in the south, but you weren't allowed to take your camera out or take any pictures. So you're just gonna have to take my word for it. But basically Pushkar is a holy town because it is the only place where there is a Brahma temple. Apparently there might be one in Cambodia, but Suri says that there's no proof that that temple is actually a Brahma temple. So this is why Pushkar is a holy town, and it also means that anytime we're outside of the resort hotel complex where we're staying, we need to make sure that we have our shoulders and our knees covered all the time to be respectful.
The flower fell down and the sprinkle of
So this is the holy lake. That's why some people are washing themselves, washing their hands to wash off their sins. And all around where we've just walked, this is the town of Pushkar. That's where we were this morning. We went to an authentic Italian restaurant in Pushkar and we had some pizzas. We've got mushroom, and Nicole and Megan have got spinach. And I got my first iced coffee of the trip, which I was very happy about.
That cheese is so nice.
Oh my god. That is a really good pizza. It's the best pizza I've had in a while. You definitely need to share. They're absolutely massive. We then went for our desert cleanup, which is part of the things that True includes in their tours, so that they make sure that they're making travel as sustainable as possible and making sure that they're helping out local communities in areas that they travel to. So we went to one of the desert areas nearby, seeing as Pushkar is a desert town, and we picked up some bits of rubbish. We did one big bag each. So I feel a bit better about that, but I feel like that's also the least that we could do staying in this area. We then made our way back to our hotel where we're staying, these little cottages, and we just hung around the pool for a little bit. Some of us did a sunset yoga class, which I did not film because it was quite funny. I was so bad. And then the rest of the evening we watched some more dancers perform by the fire. That was a bit like the dance show that we saw in Udaipur, and we hung around by the pool and had a campfire and had some drinks and played 21 and Would You Rather. I'm feeling a little bit delicate this morning, but we are leaving this morning and heading on our private transfer bus. We've got the same driver all the way through now that we've left Delhi. It's the same driver for the rest of the trip. He's an absolute legend. So we're going to scran some breakfast quickly and hop on the bus. Like I said before, I loved this accommodation so much. It's one of my favourite places I've ever stayed. I walked down one final time to leave my bag at reception. The Indian hospitality is out of this world, and they collect our bags every morning to move them onto a bus. This is the insane infinity pool that they have. It's a shame it was a bit too chilly in the evenings to use, and over there is the building that we had our optional yoga class in for around £10. As we were about to leave, the staff insisted we have yogurt and jaggery to ensure us good luck on our travels. It's like an airplane.
You're like a baby.
have it.
It's good. That is like tablet. We have one in Scotland like that called tablet.
Tablet.
It's like a sweet that you'd get at the seaside.
But then the yogurt's got a bit of that tanginess.
Yeah.
Yogurt and jaggery for a good journey from city to city. And I'll see you in the next video for Jaipur. I'm so excited. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time for a brand new video. Bye guys.